Hello everyone, welcome back with Rhino basic tutorials how to make a surface from a curved object. Okay, for example in here I will create a simple curve. You can use line tools. I will click here line and I will create a stuff from this point. Okay, I will create a rectangle with these line tools. The next I will use this icon, these tools to create a control point curve. You can click and I will click stuff from this point. You can move to the top here, okay, and then I will move into this point. You can press space to apply. I will create again line. Start from this point. We can move to the top, and then I will create a curve from this point. Okay, move into here, and then click at this point. Press a space button to apply. The next I will change into maximize, and then if you want to change this curve into surface, you can first select this all edge. You can press shift button to select multiples like this, and then you can click at these icons, and then you can choose these tools. Surface from planar curve, you can click, and it will be automatically changed into curve or surface. Okay, you select again at this edge. And then you can use these tools to convert into surface. The last we can select this all edge, triangles. Okay, curve, and then click in here, curve, and the last in here. Use these tools to convert into surface. Okay, that's it. How to make a surface from a curve. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.